What up, gang? Checking in. Today we on a Mercedes C300, and I'm gonna show y'all. We got a bad control arm on there. I'm gonna show y'all how we replace that thing. So tune in. Hope you enjoy the video. If you're new, make sure you go ahead, comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's get it in. Behind our brake caliper. Remove this here sensor. We don't want to break that wire. We'll put it to the side. All right. We're in trouble now. I didn't broke him off up in there. We in trouble now, gang.
Pick your flowers. Look. Look.
Wow.
Look. Look. Look.
I did manage to get him. In order to get that broke piece out of there, I'm gonna have to take this here cover off. So I'm gonna slide up under there and knock that out.
I'll try a good old crescent wrench. See what we can do. See, it's coming.
Alright, gang, so y'all see it. We got our joint out of there. There you go. We got our new one right here, so we can't put in there until I'm able to remove this here end. Now I could try it with that crescent wrench. I give it a try. The only thing is I'm gonna have to probably jack up on here so we can get him nice and tight. See if our crescent wrench should even fit it. See, I can't really get no turn. Might have some guys. He is turning a little bit at a time. Look at that, gang. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Got him out of there. So we don't have to go get no wrench. I got him out. Good thing there, huh? And I got him out of there. Look at that. We got him, gang. Maybe that crow will help me out. Got that bad boy out of there, gang. I do have a new one right here. And I mean, it looks like it might be the port. It don't look like it's that one. So we're gonna see how he line up and see if that's the right one. Let's try it out. Alright, gang, that looks like that's him, baby. It looks like that's him. Thank God we got him straight. Put my nut on there. Alright, we got him pretty tight. Got our control arm on there. So I'm gonna throw my spindle on and see how we looking with everything, y'all. Perfect, right where we want it. Our nut starter. Install these right here. One more on this side. Got him nice and tight. Next, I'm gonna tighten up this here. Tighten up this here upper screw that we have now. Alright, got him nice and tight. Oh, see it. Just had to throw my caliper on and the brake sensor on and another tire rod there. Go from the top to the bottom. There's a sway bar link. I'm gonna throw him on right quick. Alright, gang. Y'all see this here rod that we have here. Now we'll hold, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to pry him down. Looks like him, Jim. That on there. Curl. Slip that nut on, baby. Let's try this, gang. Let's try this right here. I'm gonna need an 18 millimeter. It does look like this shit caliper could go in some, so I'll show y'all how we squeeze. Oh, my legs is killing me. Alright, gang, I'm gonna throw this wheel on and see how we looking.
Baby, come on, touch my body. Baby, come on, touch my body. Baby, come on, touch my body.
Alright, gang, so we have it on charger. I guess you just go ahead on and say a day. Y'all see, charging light then went off. Now it said charge maintaining. So actually, when I had checked it last time and I told y'all there were 15 volts, y'all put the charger on it. So I'm gonna take the charger off of it. Now let's get a reading on them with the charger off. So it's 13. Like he's steady dropping a little bit. But what we were trying to do, the reason why when I got the charger, I was trying to to be able to unlock this here steering lock. So it's still saying take your key from the ignition. And I don't know if that's what it is, but I think we're gonna look a little further into it before I pull this here steering column out. But I did have, I'm gonna check my fuses and relays, which I did check, but I just want to see the diagram from. But you see the charger is working. I guess I'll let it maintain some more and just try to do a little bit more researching on the steering column lock and try to find the fuse for it. I found the fuse already, but the relay. Alright. Guess we could try one more thing. One more thing before I call it quits. I seen another guy do this, and I actually was able to start the car doing this before. Well, I'm gonna have to take the casing off this relay here. I don't know. See, it look like I'm maybe missing some stuff. So I'm gonna have to check into that. 0254. Try to swap two of these relays. This one here was looking a little rough. It might need to be changed. I don't know. Hopefully it's good. I might have to put a meter on them to check them. But what the guy did, he removed this fuse back here. He removed that fuse and then energized this here relay right here manually, and it started. I mean, we could try. I'll just have to open up this here relay. Still saying take your key from the ignition. But the steering column lock is a common problem on these cars. I want to put that battery on the chargers so we can make sure we get the fully charged. So y'all see it's working, gang. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Y'all want to try to see if we could crank it by energizing this here? We just need to open this relay here up in 1 minute. Other than that, we're gonna throw this here maintainer back on. We did manage to change our control on. So comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's see if we go back to the charging state. Once I throw this charger back on, see if it's gonna say charging or charging complete and maintaining. Let's see what we get. Now it says charging. Oh, really? That fast? Now you charge it? Alright. That's all, folks. See y'all next time. Comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Mr. Randall.